Hello stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets closed negative today. I personally think it's due to the IPO fever. Lulu has announced the IPO and I think people are offloading the stocks in the market so that they can subscribe Lulu IPO. By the way, just in case if you have missed my video on Lulu IPO, I will provide an iCard right at the top. Do click the link and watch that video, it will help you. Let's start analyzing DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. With today's closing we can see a red candle, but I personally think this is positive and let me give you my reasoning. If you are following my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning this area is strong support for the market, that is 4,459 points. Today market came down till about 4,449 and recovered to close above the support at 4,467 points. This indicates this zone is still intact. Buyers are defending this zone. Hit the like button if you are also watching this zone very closely like me. So with today's candle we can see market has been going sideways for the last 5 days. It's been trading within this range. So now it's very critical. We have to wait for a breakout. After the strong move from 4,350 points, we saw a strong momentum to the upside. Market could not break the resistance of 4,500. It's just going sideways. This can be a bit tricky because when market starts its range, there are chances it can even break to the downside. As of now, we can safely say support is holding. I'm expecting a break to the upside. If at all during this week, if we can see a solid candle close above 4,500, then it would be easier for the market to climb higher, break out the previous swing high of 4,530 points, and maybe very soon we will visit 4,555. On the negative scenario, if at all market wants to come down, there are minor support zones, but the major one is right here at 4,400 and then 4,361 points. If at all market sentiments are positive and bullish tomorrow, there is a high chance we will see a break to the upside. If we look at the previous scenario, check this out right here. We saw sideways momentum and then break to the upside. Even here a small consolidation and then a continuation. So hopefully market is following this pattern. We are seeing for the last 5 days market is going sideways and we can see a follow through from here of this recovery. Market has safely recovered more than 50% of this drop to the downside. As of now, it's just going through a short consolidation phase. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Today it has printed a negative candle. It tried for a breakout. Check this out. This would be the third attempt. We can see previously when it was trying for a breakout, it got rejected. Resistance stands at 9,352. Watch out this area very closely. If at all it breaks to the upside, then market will enter in danger zone, that is between 9,352 and 9,400. For new viewers, check this out. Market dropped from this point till about 9,120. From here it's trying to recover. Still it did not accomplish 50% benchmark of this drop to the downside, and it's struggling for a breakout to enter into this zone. Last closing or today's closing is right into the support zone, that is 9,245 points. We can see after a bounce from this area, market printed a solid green candle. It broke the resistance and then it's been going sideways for more than 10 days. So there are good chances tomorrow, looking at this red candle, rejection candle, market can even come down to visit 9,160 points. On the way down there are minor support zones. Let's see if it holds or it wants to come down here. On the positive scenario, since it's been ranging for more than 10 days, expect a bigger breakout on either of the sides. If it breaks to the upside, then it will enter into this zone with a bang with a big candle. Else we can see a big drop to the downside with big candle tomorrow or during this week. Best scenario would be if at all market can survive tomorrow, it can print a green candle, so at least it will give us a hope that there are chances of a break to the upside. Looking at today's candle, it's looking very negative. There are very high chances it may break the support tomorrow. This is the daily chart of pre-site. It's recovering very nicely. As we can see, it's trading within this wedge pattern or symmetrical triangle pattern for so many months. This area is resistance. Whenever pre-site is trying for a breakout, it's getting rejected. Even here we saw it tried for a move to the upside, it got rejected, it came down, established a strong support between 2.27 and 2.30. From here again we saw buying momentum, but unfortunately it could not close above the resistance of 2.55. Right after this candle we saw geopolitical tensions escalating, market reacted negatively, it came down till about 2.21. And from here very next day onwards we are seeing gapping up. This is positive. Right at the apex it consolidated for 2 to 3 days and then we saw a breakdown. This phenomena has been repeating again and again. Check this out, this was a fake breakdown. Again here we saw a breakdown. Pre-site is now recovering with a bang. Today's closing is at 2.35. This gives us a good indication there are still chances it can survive and continue its upside momentum. If we look at the support areas, check this out. Whenever pre-site came near the trend line, that is this white line that is acting as a support, we saw good bounces. If at all market can again go above this trend line, then we can consider it safe. Otherwise there are still chances market may try to enter into this zone, get rejected at 2.40, that is immediate resistance, and come down lower. Yes, there is some chart damage that we are seeing, but if at all market can recover aggressively with big candle, then we can again consider pre-site to be in safe zone and expect a continuation to the upside. We will get our first confirmation when we see a solid candle close above this area, that is 2.42. If at all pre-site can print a solid green candle during this week, then we can have a confirmation pre-site is gearing up for a move till about 2.63 to 2.72, that is a range. This is the area where we can target and book our profits in case if we are taking our entries into this zone. For those who are planning to enter in pre-site tomorrow or during this week, last closing is at 2.35. You may take your entries at the time of opening if it opens flat or with a gap up. In case if it opens with a gap down, then you should avoid it. Place your stop loss very tightly just around 2.27, and from here expect upside momentum. First area of resistance is very near, as I mentioned, at 2.42. Once this is taken out, then we can even see 2.55 as our second area of profit booking, and obviously this would be the last area where we can offload all the quantities. For now, pre-site is looking a bit tricky, but with today's candle close it's showing some strength, so let's go with the flow. If at all market sentiments are negative tomorrow, then let's stay away. Being in cash is also a position. If today's video was helpful, then hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.